feel like having a new apartment when you're literally starting over, it's like a surprise every day. Literally, we get a package every single day. So, hey y'all, welcome to our crib. So I'm super excited because we have just moved into our very first apartment together, as not just a couple, as a married couple. This is gonna be our first space together, and I'm so excited. I wanted to show it to you guys. Ty is obviously behind the camera.
Hello.
I just wanted to show you guys the space. I have previously been in another apartment, and it was a basement apartment. It was absolutely nothing close to what we have here. So we're just really excited to actually be in a space all of our own, to be living together for the very first time. We have a 1-bedroom apartment. We really want to show you guys what we have before we start moving everything in. So come on, let's go. Okay, go ahead.
So here we have the throne. I will spend the majority of my time just like this.
Oh, really?
We have down here more space where we could put our toilet tissue, and stuff down here.
Only our toilet tissue. Getting our place together. Got our simple human trash can, which I've been waiting for. I'm so happy. She's stressed. I thought you could go like this. I thought it was a common thing. Oh, the hamper. We got a double hamper for colors and whites. And we've been putting everything in laundry bags, and I'm tired of putting everything in laundry bags, so this will make it more cohesive. And it's gonna match the bathroom. So pretty much everything we got is like kitchen stuff and no decor. So we are still working with 0 furniture, but we have an air mattress and we have So we've moved in, we've unpacked some boxes, we got a few things straightened out. We bought Chloe. Yeah, Chloe. We bought Chloe. We have some chairs that we're sitting in, but right now we're sleeping on the air mattress and we are waiting to get ourselves together. It's been a long but rewarding process and we'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching our empty apartment tour and a little bit of us getting ourselves together. There's much more to come. I'll be definitely sharing once we get our furniture. Actually have a completed space. Right now we're still working with a little bit of nothing. Do you have anything to say?
Thank you guys for tuning in. Come on, but before you leave, you gotta subscribe, like, and comment.
Ow. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah. Say bye, Chloe. Say bye, Chloe. Chloe, that's a restaurant. Bye, Chloe.